Okay, so I got it mounted in there, and only 2 screws are holding it in place, and the top 2. The bottom 2, I went ahead and screwed the screws into the holder, the housing for the speaker, so that in the future, if I need those screws, they'll be there. But they're not even touching this at all. They're sunk in far enough to not even be touching the speaker. But it's in there getting tight. It shouldn't make any vibration noise or anything. You'll notice that those end tabs, I bent them up so that it would fit better into the housing. Otherwise, it wouldn't have fit at all. And the harness plugged right in, no issues there. So now it's just time to put the door panel back. One thing about these door panels on the 93 through 97, there's a bolt right here that goes behind the lock switch. You have to get a screwdriver and pry out the lock switch to get access to this. I didn't know that, so I was here. I had everything loose, and it felt like, you know, there was just one of these type of connectors, you know, one of these types of clips holding it in place. So I was yanking on it pretty good, and it wasn't coming. I peered up from underneath and saw that bolt holding the door on, and I'm thankful that I didn't pull harder, because it's kind of an important one. That's where the handle is. That's why they have a bolt there, to give it extra support. So just for people in the future, don't be pulling on it too hard, and you'll find a bolt on this. Driver's side doesn't have that. Driver's side doesn't have that bolt. It's a different configuration. But this is the passenger side. It has a bolt behind the lock switch that you have to pry out with a screwdriver to get access to. Well, maybe that'll help somebody.